Good morning, dear children. How are you today? Welcome back. Do you remember which shape I taught you yesterday? Yes, an oval shape. Yes. So, did you practice? Yes? Good. Now, let's revise all the shapes you have learned and then we will do an interesting activity. You will surely enjoy it. This is a circle shape. Now let's see some objects which are in circle shape. Pizza, cake, sun. This is a triangle shape. Now let's see some objects which are in triangle shape. A Christmas tree, a traffic sign. This is a star shape. Now let's see some pictures which are in star shape. Star shaped cookie, star shaped leaf and star shaped candy. This is a square shape. Now let's see some objects related to square shape. Square napkins, square wall clock and square window. This is a rectangle shape. Now let's see some objects related to rectangle shape. Photo frame, tray, a door and a writing pad. This is an oval shape. Now let's see some objects which are in oval shape. Rugby ball, a mirror, a plate, watermelon, balloons and a tray. So now activity time. Let's start the activity. See children, I have blue color clay and using this clay we will make different shapes. Let's get started. Take small portion of clay and start rolling it slowly like this. Keep rolling. Now we will join both the ends like this and make a circle shape. Which shape is this children? Circle shape. Now let's make another shape. Roll it again like this. Yes. Keep rolling like this. Now again same way, join both the ends and make another circle shape. Now see the magic children. Yay! Which shape it has become now? An oval shape. Correct? Now let's make another shape. Now I will take 3 equal portions of the clay and will roll it slowly. Now second one and roll it like this, and now third one. Like this. See, I made 3 equal slipping lines, 1, 2 and 3. Now let's join them and let's see which shape it is. Yes, this is a triangle shape. Triangle. Now let's make one more shape. Now I will take 4 equal portions of clay. 1, 2, 3 and 4. Now let's roll them one by one and make equal slipping lines. 4 equal slipping lines. 1, 2, 3. Now keep rolling. 3, and now take 4th portion. This is 4th. So we made 1, 2, 3 and 4 slipping lines. Now let's join them and make a shape. We will keep one by one like this. 2 in standing and 2 in slipping, and join them properly. Now this is a square shape. Square has 4 corners and 4 sides, and all the sides of square are equal. See children, circle, oval, triangle and square shape. So children, you can also make a rectangle shape, star shape, different shapes using clay. It will also help you improve your fine motor skills. So children, I hope you all have enjoyed the activity. Now let's see the solution of the worksheet. See children, I have colored the oval shape with red color in my worksheet. I hope you also must have colored it very nicely with your favorite color. Good job children. Okay my lovely kids, bye-bye for today. I will see you soon. Till then, keep practicing, keep smiling.